Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities on Thursday, May 14th, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. The key indexes were all up today, marked by significant gains. The S&P 500 index surged to a record high at 7,502.4, up 57.78 points, indicating a 0.77% rise. Nasdaq Composite Index also hit a new peak at 26,635.22, climbing 232.88 points with a 0.88% increase. Market breadth today revealed a positive bias. The S&P 500 index experienced more advances than declines, with 288 rising stocks against 200 decliners. Similarly, the Russell 2000 index showed significant market strength, boasting 1,108 advancers compared to 686 decliners. Overall, advances outweighed declines across the board. Total returns were notable for the Nasdaq Composite Index, showing a year-to-date increase of 14.6%. The S&P 400 Mid-Cap Index also impressed with an 11% gain year-to-date. Daily movements followed this positive trajectory, indicating steady upward momentum in the market. Technology led the best-performing sectors, reaching a new high at 6,759.96, an increase of 1.8%. The energy sector sustained a positive trend, closing upward 4 times consecutively. Utilities and financial services sectors remained relatively flat, while industrials trended positively, reflecting overall strength in these key markets. Among the sectors, basic materials stood out with its decline of 0.79%, marking a third consecutive day in the red. Real estate also posted a loss, dropping 0.58%. Meanwhile, consumer cyclical broke downward after 3 days of stability, and healthcare continued its mixed negative trend. Leading the global markets today, Thailand showed remarkable gains, climbing 1.4% to end at 73.20. South Korea's ETF also advanced by 1%, while SPY reached a new record high, reflecting robust global market activity. Overall returns are notable, with Thailand's ETF marking a significant year-to-date rise of 22.67%. South Korea showed strong momentum this month, up 18.53%. Conversely, Brazil's ETF experienced downward volatility despite today's gain. In the tech sector, Apple closed at 298.21, down by 0.66, showing a very strong positive trend despite today's decline. Alphabet and Amazon also ended lower by 1.87 and 2.91, respectively, though they maintained very strong positive trends. Meta Platforms rose to close at 618.43, up 1.80, marking its third consecutive day of gains, but remains in a strong negative trend. Meanwhile, Nvidia experienced a significant upward movement, closing at 235.75 after a rally of 9.91, hitting a new all-time high.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is making waves with its current price at 81,300.76, up 2,012.50 or 2.5%. It continues its strong positive trend. Ethereum is also climbing, priced at 2,291.55, with an increase of 33.70. However, the trend here is mixed. BNB is trading at 679.3, rising 7.66, showing some upward volatility and a consecutive rise for 2 days. Solana, priced at 92.54, is experiencing a mixed positive trend. Lastly, Dogecoin holds at 0.1152, gaining 0.0026, maintaining a strong uptrend. On the returns front, Bitcoin this month shows a total return of 6.5%, despite a year-to-date loss of 7.1%. BNB's month-to-date return is strong at 10.37%, while its past week gain stood at 2.35%. Dogecoin shows resilient growth this month, with a total return of 8.23%, set against a minor year-to-date drop.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar-euro is currently at 0.8568, gaining 0.0034 against the euro, marking an upward movement for 3 consecutive days. The US dollar-British pound shows a stronger gain, rising 0.92% to 0.7463, influenced by strong upward volatility and a positive trend. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar is at 158.3850, up 0.5370, continuing a 5-day rising streak. The dollar also sees a 0.0021 increase against the Swiss franc, at 0.7839, displaying a mixed trend. Meanwhile, the dollar continues to strengthen against the Australian dollar, currently at 1.3847, despite a strong negative trend. Across these key pairs, the dollar shows diverse performance, with notable strength against the pound.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.